Hi. So here is the new bot for scrapping usernames from Instagram and DM them and then commenting on their last post. So let's see how you can use this one. So at first you will get a zip file like this and you need to unzip that. Then you need to put your accounts here, all the accounts that you want to use, and then you need to put all your receivers data here, the scrap data, and then you need to run the bot. Let me show you the receivers data here. So you need to put here the usernames, here the messages, and here the comments, and then you just need to run the main.exe file, and you can put your multiple accounts. I have one account there, that's why I'm not showing you that. So you need to put your accounts username and password there. So when you run the bot, it will ask you that do you want to scrap the username or DM and comment. So at first we want to scrap the username, so let's put one here. So it is trying to log into the account. Okay, so it has logged in successfully, and now it's asking for the target username from where we will scrap the username. So let's just go to this profile, and now let's just copy his username and put it here. Now it asks that how many username we want to scrap. So it takes some time to scrap the data, so I don't want to put here a large number now. So I'm just putting here 100 for now, and this will scrap all the usernames, but it will only export the usernames that that the profiles are not private. It will only output the usernames that are public profile. So let's wait for it. So as you can see that it has scrapped all the data, and here these data are private, so these accounts are private and these accounts are public, and it is only exporting the public data. So let's press enter, and here you can see the usernames that are public. So there is 52 usernames from the 100 that are public, and then you need to put those here. So I have already put it 3 here. Okay, let's just change this with the first 3. Okay, now let's run the bot again to send the DMs. Okay, so now we want to DM and comment. Let's just select number 2 and press enter. So it is asking the delay between the sending the DM and everything. So I am putting here 5 seconds, and it is asking that from each account, as we can actually put here unlimited accounts. So it is asking that from each account how many comment and how many messages I want to send. So I'm putting here 5 and pressing enter. So you can see that it has sent a message to this person, and he has no media or any post, so it has a comment there, but on the next one it has comment. Okay, so let's check in here. Okay, so as you can see, there is a message at this time, and then there is a message at this time, and there is a message. Okay, let's just check on his profile. Okay, so as you can see, she has no post. That's why the bot didn't comment. But on this person, maybe she has some post. Okay, so you can see there is a post, and our bot has commented here. That's great. And let's just check the last one. So you can see here is the comment, here is the message, and if you go to his profile, this is his last post. So let's check it. So you can see here is the comment. Okay, and let's check here. Okay, so you can check here that here is all the timelines here that what the bot has done. So the bot will work like this, and if you have any query, you can ask me. And this bot is not free. You need to pay for it, and this bot costs only $50, and it's a fixed price. So if you are interested, you can just contact me. My contact information are given in the description box. So you can contact me and discuss with the bot. If you have any question, you can ask me there also. Thank you.